Today I will be making pizza from whole wheat flour. I have taken about 70 ml of warm water. It is not hot water. Now to this I will be adding about 2 grams of instant yeast. Now in order to activate it, I am going to add this to water. To activate this, we will be adding about pinch of sugar, add a pinch of salt, add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour to this. Mix the flour with the yeast and keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to settle. We will be using about 1.25 cups of wheat flour. So I measure the cup with a measuring cup. For every cup of wheat flour, we will be adding about 1 teaspoon of oil. I'll be using olive oil for this preparation. I'm going to add 1.25 teaspoon of olive oil. This add the yeast and warm water, and we will knead the dough. If you need moisture, you can add a little water, but add the water little by little. Do not add it at once. Once kneading the dough is completed, add little olive oil on the top and we'll knead it again. So this oil will provide a covering on top of the whole wheat flour. We'll cover this wheat flour with a cloth. This cloth was washed and dried. Now this will provide aeration. We'll keep this in a warm place and let it ferment for about 1 hour. For me, the warm place is oven that I have. After 1 hour, I'll remove the cloth and we can see that wheat flour has doubled. Now we'll knead it again and we will keep this to ferment further for about 30 minutes. Cover with the same cloth and put it at a warm place to ferment for 30 minutes. After minutes, so now I'm going to roll this and I'll show you how to proceed next. I have rolled the wheat flour into the shape of pizza. I'm going to make this on the microwave plate. You can also get pizza stone from the market. Now on this, first of all, I'll be applying some olive oil on the base. So after that, I'll place my pizza roti on this. Now I'll let it sit for another 5 minutes. Then I will add all the ingredients on top of it and then we can proceed. So after 5 minutes, going to apply the pizza sauce on it. We can make this pizza sauce at home. I'll show you the recipe in my next videos. So please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes and stay tuned. Now you can use any of the toppings of your choice. You can use capsicum, but here I'm using green chilies because I don't like the taste of capsicum. You can add vegetables if you are vegetarian. If you are a non-vegetarian, then you can also add chicken. So then I will also be adding onions on top of it. So I'll also be adding chicken 65. For the recipe of chicken 65, you can check the videos on my channel. So basically this is going to be chicken 65 pizza. If you are a vegetarian, so follow my recipe of pizza the same way. Just add vegetables instead of chicken. We add the most important ingredient for pizza, and this is mozzarella cheese. On top of the cheese, we will be adding olive oil. So while I was making all the ingredients, I have preheated my oven to about 235 degrees centigrade, which is about 450 degree Fahrenheit. Now I am going to put this microwave oven plate into the microwave oven and I'll cook this for about 15 minutes at the same temperature of 235 degrees centigrade, and I'll check the status after 15 minutes. You can see I have put my pizza in the microwave oven and I'm heating it at 3D hot 8 to 35 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. So I'll show you how the status is after 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I have removed the pizza from the oven. Our wheat pizza is ready. It looks fantastic. It has a little smoky flavor and the roti is also perfectly cooked. So this is homemade pizza. It is also healthy because we are using wheat flour instead of all-purpose flour. Thank you for all the support that you have been showing me through watching my videos, liking the recipes. Please like, share and comment. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.